to, say a prayer on your bed. Alright? Father, in the name of God, today being my nephew's first day at school, Father, please grant him your protection, your kindness, your wisdom, and the resilience to embark on this new journey. Father, I know you've been part of this boy's process. Continue to shower your heavenly kindness upon his life. In the name of God, I pray. So shall it. Stand. This is a new journey you are embarking on. Always remember where you are coming from. Desist from bad company. Let God be your guide. I have brought you up with a godly factor. Please don't disappoint me. Okay? May God protect you. You're welcome.
You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, and just love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, class.
There is someone I'd like you to meet. Let's start. The new classmate. Sana, why don't you do the introduction yourself?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Stella, how can I do that? It's me. Sounds like a rapper.
Alright.
Maybe a rap.
Alright, guys, Sana. There's a little tradition in this school that we used to welcome new students. You have to sing for us.
Yes.
Sing.
Yeah.
Sing.
You was once a teacher. Yeah, it's my friend.
Okay.
Don't be shy. Stella. I get my tail for my head, and nobody understands. Party for you. That's for my head. Party for you.
Let me know if I ever rush you.
You are money.
Yes, let me carry. Let me know
If I ever with my money, that's my house to party.
Well done, Sana. It seems you've taken your classmate's hats. Take a seat. Okay, class, let's start today's lesson. And Abigail, come around.
Madam, yesterday I put it for the commando don't work.
Commando. The pom.
What commando? It's commando conquer.
Let's see if we can get time. No.
It's commando.
It's commando conquer. Wait. No. Wait, I get the right word is from a conquer wine.
And the meaning.
Hey!
You guys are.
Why like how?
It's over the my guy. It's over
Through the dark of night, forever with you, my love. It's where I want to go. You are
Only
meant
wanted
to
to
come
know
true
more about
love, so I'll never leave your side.
Where I stay and I'm a good guy. I should keep on learning hard. Hey, why are you asking?
Yeah, just that.
Yes, of course.
You're being too friendly. Don't you think so?
Be too friendly.
Yes.
And that is why you feel insecure?
Yes.
Tessy, come on.
Oh, that's how we're coming
I have
on.
always been promising you.
I know, yeah.
And I am promising you today.
Okay.
I can't do anything to hurt you. You don't even have to think over the bar. No, come on.
I heard you. I trust you. Okay.
And
Just trust you.
I appreciate you for trusting me, seriously.
Okay.
Do you know one thing? Look at me. I love you.
Yeah, I know that.
You know that?
Yes.
And you were just staring at me like as you said.
No, she was. I don't know. A little bit too protective.
Come on, smile, chill.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you?
Are you going to? Smile for me. Ah, smile. Smile. Hey, smile. Ah. There you are. Come on. There you are.
If you,
This is Last Supper. Yes.
well,
You are my disciples. I have to feed you.
I don't think I'll drink with one bar.
Why?
I'm not feeling that drinking.
Hey. More than bohu.
Trying to kill me.
Oh. So you told me about your mom going to EAG for some catfish and other things. When is she coming back?
I don't know. That guy is so cute. I glance at him alone and I'm melting already.
Not forgetting his skincare.
Oh God.
That guy is so handsome.
Seriously.
Seriously. Did you see the way he sang in class yesterday?
I know, right?
Oh
and
my
the way
He's so dreamy.
forgetting how he stared at me when he was taking his seat.
I saw.
Oh, please, girls, you're not like the only guy in this school.
Easy for you to say. Did you see the way he stared at Juliet during class?
Or the way he was complimenting Monet's notebook cover.
He did.
Yes,
he actually did.
So what? Girls, are you seriously going to argue over this guy now?
Maybe we will.
That guy is so special. He is handsome. Why are you too blind?
Hold
Why
on.
can't you see?
Hold on. You guys are seriously fighting over this guy. This is ridiculous. Girls!
It is not ridiculous, Abby. Scanner is different. He is.
I really like my friend though, but then I also like the guy. Fighting over him is nothing.
Look, girls, fighting over a guy never ends well.
That's right.
You both are my friends. I don't want to see you guys ruin your friendship because of a crash.
So, what are we supposed to do? Ignore our feelings?
Wait, how about we do it this way, okay? You both agree that whoever he likes first, get him. How about that?
No, wait. What if he doesn't like either of us?
Well, we move on liking other guys. He's not the only guy in this school. Deal?
Deal.
Right. So now let's not let any guy come between us again.
Okay. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, girl.
Okay, girls, let's get to class.
You know you'll definitely be late.
boring.
Come on, we are late already.
Hold on.
He's all on his one.
Sweetest guy I've seen in this campus. Did you see how he held Mrs. Thompson carrying his stuff yesterday?
We did.
And his smile. Oh my god, it's like sunshine.
Well. Look who we have here. The trial. Who is ready to declare war over a new guy in town.
Seriously? How useless is it to fight over a guy you just met?
Yeah. He's just a guy. What's the big deal?
He's not just any guy. He's different. He's kind. He's talented. He's so
Better than us? Huh?
Of course. Can't you guys see? He's better than all of you here. What's your problem? I mean, what do you want?
It's them problem.
And you know what, JD? You better not lay a finger on him. If you do, you will regret.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Regret about what? How?
We mean it, Jaden. Stunner is important to us.
So,
If you mess with him, you have all the three of us to contend with.
you, make sure he's safe and happy. Excuse us.
Alright. We will see about that.
He's all on his one.
You know what? It is what it is. Guys. Be a man, let's go.
Yes, of course.
So it's something simple, okay?
Okay.
So, I have this, let me see, a friend, and he has been, let me say, crushing on me for a very long time.
Crushing on me.
Yes, very long time. And he's not that old and that kind you get to come to you and talk to you that he likes you. So I was coming to be in his position and then tell you. Get it.
Okay.
Hope you are okay.
Okay, spell.
She spell it okay. So as far as crush, he likes you. Blah blah blah. What do you think about that?
Well, I don't know. But though, why don't you tell him to gather the courage and approach me?
Oh yes, I will tell him. That one I will tell you there. But anything for me to tell him?
Well, if I have any answer, I should be to him directly. So
really?
Yes. So you tell him to approach me, and I'll tell him how I feel.
Okay, sure, I will. But please, get it, please.
Well, that's not for you to decide, girlfriend.
Okay,
I'll see you after.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go.
So how did it go?
Oh, yeah, about that. It went smooth, cool, But I don't know what she might think about after telling her that. You know, one thing, girls actually like guys that are bold enough to come in front of them and tell like your feelings to her. Do you think Hans should send someone and come and tell me that he likes me? I'll accept. Nah, forget about that.
But for Hans, he's the
Yeah,
intelligence
that's
in
what
our
I'm telling
class.
you. Do you think if he sent someone to come and tell me that he likes me, will I accept? Nah, forget about that.
He went for her pork before coming.
Whatever. So listen, I would like you to go to her.
Again.
Once again, go to her. Tell her what you feel. Me, I don't know what you feel. You just told me to go and tell her. You get it? So you go to her, tell her, in a cool way. See, go, Trilla. No, your vibes. The guys, your vibes. How you talk?
What vibes? I don't know.
What vibes? Am I a guy?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I a guy? So you go to her, tell her, blah blah blah, you this, that. So that I will collect my $500 already. You think I've forgotten? Sheila. So you get it. You got it.
It's not easy, but
it's easy, bro. It's easy. It's feelings, just feelings. Tell her. Okay. My guy. Yeah. But listen, I'll meet you after big time, okay? I'm going to meet Hans. I'll see you already in there.
Hey! Yo! Cyril. Take it easy. Okay. Calm down. Take a breath. Okay. So when I approach her, I'll be like, yes. Hi, Trilla. Okay. Hi, Trilla. I am Cyril and I love you. Come again. I can do it. Okay. Hi, Trilla. I am crashing on you. I'll just hi, Trilla. I love you.
He's all on his one.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Trilla, I was passing by, so I decided to come and say hello to you.
But you saw me in class.
Yeah. Trilla, do you know you are beautiful?
I don't know. Tell me.
You know what? There are many girls in this campus, but you are not one of the most beautiful girls.
I just flattering you.
Oh, trust me. Wow. you are so beautiful.
Thank you. You said that over another times.
Trailer. About Mr. Eddie. Are you done with the homework?
But you saw me submit it in class.
Trailer, I like the way God created you.
Thank you, but
did you turn Mr. Eddie's water into me?
excuse me, am I a witch?
Did you know there are witches in this school.
And how did you know there are witches in the school?
Trailer, there is a witches in this school and even in our class.
Well, for me, I don't know how you know about that.
Let me tell you one thing. Abigail and her friends, they are among some of the witches in this school.
How do you know that? And who gave you the F function to sit and speak about me like that? Huh? How dare you? Let this be your very last warning.
You see, I don't want to get caught up in any trouble with these girls.
But they are witches.
Sorry, if you actually don't have anything to say, can you please leave me?
Trailer, I'll just leave.
His soul and his one.
What did you say?
His soul and his one.
I got it. Bro.
Cool. Also, what is going on?